Fix. Step straight. Move. Rebound. Put back. Pass to. Uy! Pass breakers number 3. Whoa! Binawian. Give to Bagiran. Yes, for 2.
Valdez.
Go good. Oop. Follow up by Aksikan. Pass back. Go straight. Bang! Dalit.
On the corner.
Free. Bang! Bull.
No good.
Rebound, reverse fly-up, and that out aban, Noah. Sa Puchoa, basket good. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die semifinals ng Cabra Amit 2024 para sa laban ng Santiago City at Tuguegarao City. And here's jump ball. And first ball possession for Team Santiago. Valdez on the corner, 3. No good. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. At ball possession ng Team Tuguegarao. And here's sa 3. No good. Put back shot and basket. First blood. Fix, spin for the inbound. Pass. Ooh, so palpal si Idol. And it's number 7. At the middle, Padilla. Launch the 3. Bang! Bull. And it's Valdez. Bounce pass to number 3. Sagi pass, off the glass, wala. Magkakatapikan, mare-recover. Valdez, sumatake. Uy, in and out. Padilla. Passes to... butatang inabot ni Idol. And the pass breakers number 3. Binawian. For the inbound. Fix. Attacks. Supalpal na naman. Kalubakib to Bagiran. Yes, for 2. Ochoa. Pass to Matake. Pinasa kay Sigua. Wala. Padilla. Pass to Kalubakib. Kakaldag. Bagiran. And it's Valdez. Valdez sa gitna, bumangga, fade away, shot off the glass. Kalubakib, butakan, pass back Kalubakib, launch 3, no good, rebound, put back. And bounce pass, Ochoa, pass back, Valdez, no good, follow up by Butakan, didiskarte, bounce pass. Pass back, Butakan. Kalubakib. Alley-oop pass. And connects. And it's Valdez. On the corner, 3. Bang! Ball. And chest pass. And it's number 7 sa 3. Bang! Kalubak. And it's Valdez. Pass to Ochoa fires. No good. Battle for rebound. Padilla the rebound. And it's Kalubakib. Behind the back dribble. Bounce pass Butakan. Pass back Kalubakib. Launch 3. Bang! Dali. And it's Valdez. Bumangga, kick out, launch 3, bang! Butakan, pass to number 2, Butakan, side step, fade away shot, no good, battle for rebound, makukuha dito ni Ochoa, Lays up, Ochoa. Basket good. Bagib. Bounce pass inside. Grabe, libreng lip. Uy, di pumasok. Valdez, Bumangga, lays up. No good. End of the first quarter.
Silver
The beat.
medals and awards.
Long pass.
Yung body ni
Pass
Ned
inside.
sa ground floor
Ochoa
po.
spins
Thank you.
fire. Basket is good. And stops. Pass to Chavez for 3. Bang!
Thank you
Goal.
so much.
And Butakan attacks. Fires. Basket is good. Butakan. There you go. Nagmamadali. Ochoa spins fire. No good. Picks. Oh, Butata. And here's Butakan. The cross pass. Pass inside. Ataban. Kick to Butakan. And this Butakan. Launch 3. No good. Rebound. Reverse layup. And that's Ataban. Sa likod. And here's he stops for 3. Chavez! Lays up. Boy! And here's number 4, David. Attacks. Sidestep. Floater. No good. And Butakan bibigla. Atake. Pinasa. Butata. It's rejected from Team Santiago. It's kick. Launch 3. No good. Pick up. Pigs. Oops. Stop. Pinasa sa loob. Boy, unselfish play. And here's David. David. Kick out. Attacks. Inside pass. Spins. Oh, fakes. Floater. No good. And still team for Santiago. Launch 3. Chavez. No good. Ang mamadali ngayon dito si Calubagi. Bounce pass. Off the glass. Basket is double dribble. And it's Oop. Bagiran. Umatake. Fires. Basket is good. Bagiran. Stops. Oop, matatapikan. And Ataban. Good for 2. Easy basket. And that's the end of the second quarter. And boy, balubal. Oops, put back. Wala. Pumasok yan. And here's Valdez. Valdez, kick out. Attack floater off the glass. And there's Calubagi, bounce pass to... Oh, Balubal, finish. Valdez. Valdez. On the corner, fakes, attacks. Fire. And it's Sigua, no good. And it's Calubagi. Oh, pass break. Batakan, good for 2. Butak. Valdez, atake, out, launch 3. Bang! That's Bagiran. Bagiran. Butakan. Maiiwan ang bola. And it's Valdez. Binitbit. Butata na naman!
No easy basket for the red shirt, of course. 17.
Balubal, pass to. Oh, uy! Bounce pass. And there's Valdez, floater shot. And there's Butakan, madada pa dito. Pinalusot yung bola. Pass to number 15. Pinasa. Fade away shot off the glass. Basket. Sumasalat shot. Oh, pumabitin. Off the glass is Butch. And there you go, number 12. Valdez.
Ano gagawin natin?
Valdez attacks. Fire. Ooh, difficult shot. Rebound putback. Putback in the finish. Choban for the rebound. Kalubaki. Pass break ngayon. Libre si Ait. Oy! Too strong.
Hindi pumasok. Sayang.
Valdez attack. Fires. Oh, good for 2. That's Valdez. Butakan bounce pass. Bakiran launch. No good. Kalubaki for 3. End of the third quarter.
Meters, elementary girls.
Valdez.
3,000
That's
meters,
inside.
secondary
Pasok yan
girls.
mga idol para kay si attacks number 8 plays.
T13 boys,
Basket is
shot
good.
put, T13 girls, shuttles, girls, doubles, and team. 3,000
Valdez.
meters, steeple chase, secondary
Valdez
boys.
bounce pass. Sigwa.
200 meters, secondary
Kakaldag dito.
girls.
Spins.
400 meter
Butata
hurdles,
na!
elementary boys. 200 meter hurdles, for fields.
And
Please
atake si
go now to
Butakan.
our second
Kick
for the
out.
awarding
Launch
of
3.
bronze,
Kalubaki.
silver,
Bang!
gold medals.
Bulls up.
Announcement, yes. Back to basketball
Valdez. Attacks. Kicks out.
Balik sa kanya.
Chavez. Valdez. Pinasa. Floater. Basket is 2. Butakan.
Butakan. Last 7 minutes. Tutumpok.
Launch 3.
Distansya ko lang naman. Santiago City Kansas. Para ibaba sa si Kelby Butakan.
Pass inside. Picks. Oh, nice pick. Butakan. Butakan. Aliw. Pass. Saktong-sakto yung
Basket.
Enes Valdez.
Ako naman ako. Pero it's traveling. One.
And his team together raw. Pigs. Attacks. Lays up. Good for 2. That's good touch. And here's number 2. Pass to Kalubaki. Launch 3. Bang! Boom the play. Hook.
Ito na si Butakan. Cross-court pass.
Pigs. Step straight. Boom. Rebound. Put back. And here's number 12.
Sa kanya pa rin. Naupo sa
Valdez.
4.
Launch 3. No good.
Takbo muli.
Maagaw dito. Mare-recover.
Balik kay Butakan.
Oy! What a pass! Butak. Valdez.
Hanapin si
To Ochoa.
Kay
Valdez.
Valdez. Laban kay Bas. Kumuha ng
Attacks.
belo.
Oops, was off the glass. Basket is good. Ochoa. It's still Kalubaki. Cross pass.
Parang gagamitin na nila ang kanilang oras.
May iwan dito.
Tatakbo ang Santiago.
Easy basket. Number 12, Valdez. Floater. Good for 2. Sa taban. Pass inside.
Number 12. Passes corner.
Yes, on the corner.
Ito na.
Attacks.
Ay, 7.
Number 7, Ochoa. Pass off the glass. Ochoa.
Uno. Ana. Shot clock na opos. 7.
Spins. Fire. Basket is good.
Butakan.
Butakan.
Kay Butakan.
Gandang pasa. And the finish and the foul.
11. Shot naman. Seconds to play ha. Seconds to play. Ingat na lang. Ingat. Ingat na.
Simon sa 3.
15.
Launch 3. And congratulations, team Tugigaraw.
And of course, to the winner, Team Tugigar LCT. And of course, to the officiating officials, Jack Buentan.